Hello and welcome on Amazon Real Talk episode number 7. Today we are in a special place in Warsaw in the park Moczydło, and this is one of the places I like very much about Warsaw, and in the next episode we will see more places that I want to share with you. This place you will find below in the description. Today, quick life hack from our business: how to push your products if you are not allowed to use PPC on Amazon, how to work without PPC and optimize your rankings. As you might know, we have one of our brands is a restricted product niche where we are not allowed to use any PPC, also not on external traffic like Google, Facebook or Instagram. So it's purely based on SEO and organic traffic. So how do we do it if you start a new product and want to get on the first page top 3 placements? Most important thing about a successful product is the product itself. Yes, so the product must be of very high quality, it must be superior compared to the competition, and you need to solve a problem. Yes, not just copying what is already there, but take what is there and make it better. Second thing is your listing, your pictures must be perfect and stand out from the competition. Yes, it's called a pattern interrupt. Imagine if a buyer looks at the Amazon page after he entered the keyword and he sees 10 or 20 products. One of these products will stand out and this must be yours. So it's pattern interrupt. For example, if everybody has the view with packaging or the view from the side, you just take another side or without packaging or make it bigger or give it some dynamic and turn it, for example. I can give you more insight about that in one of our next episodes. So first thing, we had the best product. Second thing is the best pictures, and third is the best price, at least for the beginning. So when we start and push our product during the first 2, 3 or 4 weeks, we give the lowest price possible. We sell even with with negative profit, and we give discount of 40, 50 or 60% on every sale. So at the end, if the buyer searches for a product, he sees our product which has the best look, the best price, and later he will see that it's also the best quality. Then he has no choice than to take our product. And for the first push, yes, to get moving from the dead point, yes, then you need at least your community, your supporters, your fan base, your WhatsApp profile. Or if you don't have it and this is your first product, then it's better to use your friends and family, which is not really allowed by Amazon. But you need to be careful, and you still can do 2, 3, 4, 5 sales just to get rolling. Yes, so you need to be ready to take at least some risk. Yes, it's maybe not what I recommend, but this is what works, what I know about. So 3 things: best product, best listing, and half of the price, and keep it running for 3, 4 weeks, and after that you can start increasing the price successfully. You can increase like by half, 50 cents or $1 every 2 or 3 days. You increase it and then you check if your sales drop. If your sales don't drop, you increase it again in 2 or 3 days, step by step, so that Amazon can also keep up with your price increase and doesn't give you any penalties because you increase your price too quickly. It can even be that if you increase your price too much, that you lose the buy box, and then your sales will drop dramatically and you will lose 90% of your sales. So be careful about this, move slowly and steady, and don't hurry, because nowadays it needs time to launch a successful product. It doesn't work anymore in 1 or 2 weeks. You need to be ready to spend at least 2-3 months on a successful launch. Thank you very much. I hope it was of a high value for you. Leave your comments below and see you on my next episodes. Take care.